Hey everybody! For today's video, you can see that there is a large box next to me, and if you read the title, I am doing an unboxing. It's my new camera. I'm so excited. Let's get into it. Okay, so I have my knife here, and there's a lot of different items in here, so I'm gonna have to go through all of them. But the first one's obviously gonna be my camera. Save all the other goodies for last, because I cannot cope with my excitement. It's way too much. My sister's like, what if it's my necklace? I'm like, really? Your necklace is gonna be in this big box? Really? Don't be joking with me. Don't. Okay, so I opened the box. Guess what? There's another box inside. Wow. I'm gonna be so mad if it's my sister's necklace. No, it's... Okay, I cannot drop it. Okay, let me put that right there. Let me toss the big box aside. I'm gonna have to clean my room. Okay, you can't really see it, but here we go. Now I have to open this up. So I really like this camera because there's Wi-Fi and the set. I will link the set that I got down below, so if you want it, you can check it out. But it won't open right there. Wow. Is it even supposed to open here? I don't know. Okay. Do not fall. I will cry if it falls. Like, forget that knife. That knife's not doing anything. Girl, your girl has fake nails. Okay, I need that knife. Hold on. Okay, there we go. I'm like, I don't want to ruin anything. Now we gotta get this side. That one was way easier than this one. This one gave me a struggle. Okay. How am I gonna open this? I guess that's how. I just don't want to cut my finger or anything inside. I don't really care about my finger right now. I'm kidding. I'm totally kidding. I accidentally cut the plastic or something. Okay, so I opened it. I'm sorry I look like poo. I just woke up from a nap. The lighting's really bad too. I'm sorry. Guess what? The lighting will be better with my new camera. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. I'm sorry. So I opened it, and you can see a whole bunch of items.
Is that makeup?
Oh my god, that's the lighting. That's the lighting. It's not makeup. I don't know if you can see, but there's just something right here. It says EOS. It's the camera. Obviously, it's the camera. It's the camera. So, I can't contain my excitement, and I can't just go through everything except for that, so I'm gonna go through that first. We're not saving that till the end. No. Oh my god. What is this?
Screen protector.
We're going through that later, Dee. My sister's here and she's interrupting. Get this out of the way. What is that? I want something on my knee. This, baby. Where is it? Don't. Okay. Oh my god. I already broke 2 fake nails with my excitement. Oh my god. Okay, we got papers and stuff. Okay, we got
ooh, look at this.
Nice.
Where did this come
what
from?
is that? It came in here. We're gonna deal with that later. What is this?
I'll
you know what this
read
is?
the paperwork.
Here, you can have all the paperwork. Then you got a little disc thing, or I'm gonna give it to her. She can read.
Warranty.
Then, there's books and booklets. I don't want that. Now, here we go. The body of the camera. I've always wanted to say that. I'm sorry. I'm annoying. I wanted to get a good shot. I'm sorry. Ooh, look how sleek that looks. So many people say that, but now that the fact that it's in my face, this feels unreal. And then look at the viewfinder. Not the viewfinder. Well, yeah, the viewfinder. I don't know, this thing. Ooh. Guys, this was in my dream. I was napping and I was thinking about this and I was vlogging.
Does it flip over the viewfinder or no?
It's so light too. Yeah, it does. Guys, that's gonna be me. Well, obviously there'll be a lens. Guys, this is unreal. Okay, I'm gonna put that away before I like break it. I feel like this is so light. Feel it. Why is it so
I think it's heavy.
You think it's heavy?
Not too heavy.
Light. It's lighter than the other one, no?
Yeah.
That's weird. My other camera sucks. It's battery powered. Then you got a good old strap. Okay, honestly, I'm content. I don't even care about this stuff. No, I'm just kidding. Then you got a good old strap. I'm gonna have my dad put this on because I drop everything. Yeah, embarrassment. Then we got a charger. I've never seen one of these because my old camera came with battery powered. It was battery powered. Here's the charger that I will be using on a daily basis. Someone is watching. Someone somewhere. Here is the battery. Here's the battery. Can you open? It's open.
You snatched it out of my hand.
I'm sorry about that. There's the battery.
Here.
Sorry, my iPhone doesn't autofocus, but guess what? My new camera does.
Put it in charge while you...
I'm gonna put it in there. Because it's probably already charged. Because I want to show them.
How do you know it's charged?
First look. Because I watched someone else's video like this, and they put it in straight through. Don't test me, girl. Then we got HDMI cable, which I will be using if I want to show like my sister or my dad some footage. So yeah, I sound high tech. Anything in this box before I toss it away?
Don't throw it away.
I'm gonna toss it aside. Nope. You want it? I was gonna toss it.
You're gonna break the box.
18 to 55 lens. This is the first lens that came with this kit. There's 3 lenses. So this is just the normal one that comes with everything. Like every Canon camera. Yeah, this will make the camera.
I thought that was a ginormous battery.
Yeah, this is the battery, guys. No. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It says Canon. What the heck? That's no lie. Ooh, that's clean. You guys can't even pick up how clean it is because my phone doesn't have autofocus. But my new camera does. And then this is obviously where you connect it. Look at that. Days, look at that. I don't think you're looking. I'm going to connect this. Not right now. Should I do it right now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do it right now. So this is obviously where you stick it in. Because that's not a lens. I don't think. No, that's not the lens. Now, taking the butt. I want to record because I want you guys to see the difference.
Oh my god.
Obviously, it's not going to be like amazing right off the bat because I need to set the white balance and everything and the Wi-Fi. Where's the SD card at? That's what I'm excited for. Okay, I'm going to put this to the side while she reads. We'll just carry on through the video.
Step 1. Insert the battery. Here.
Is it this button? I feel like it's that button because the other buttons flash. How'd you do that? How'd you do that? I was sitting here struggling. No, seriously, how'd you do that?
I pressed the button.
And twisted or just pressed it?
I pressed and twisted.
I just pressed it, that's why. That's how that looks like. It's like deep. It's like a hole I could fall into. Probably will. No, I'm just kidding.
It's gonna take a long time because I have to study.
Probably. You can walk in and out if you want.
No, I want to see how the camera works. I want to see the process.
Oh, that's not what I meant to do. probably zoomed in now.
Okay.
Locked it in place. Did you guys hear that? Official. Whoa! This is so weird.
Here's the instructions.
No, we're not listening to that.
That's the only way you got it in. I'm gonna go.
No, at least check out the footage.
You didn't have the battery in.
Oh, I'm dumb. And I even put the SD card in. Hold on. Let's go. Let's put that in real quick. What is this?
Is Polaroid the brand?
Polaroid is another brand. Here it is. Can you open that? Anybody know where this goes? That's just the battery.
Here, I'll show you.
No, we're not reading. We don't care about you. Here's card open. How do you card open? Found it. I know stuff. Go like this. I'm following the image. I don't care about your stupid rules. I got it in without your rules. Oh! There was a red light.
That probably means it's dead.
No, it doesn't. What do I see?
Maybe you should flip it the other way and figure out how to use it.
You're right.
Are the words backwards when you flip it the other way?
They like, see? No, yeah, but they flip normally. See? They flip to normal.
How is that possible?
To flip to normal?
It just goes back?
Yeah. Dee.
That doesn't look very good. Oh, that looks better.
That looks better. Okay, so now we're gonna go to this camera and I'll put it in to this video. Get back to you. Okay.
This ISO button?
Yeah, you just messed up the lighting.
I didn't touch the button!
What happened to the lighting?
That's not the one I'm talking about. Is that one working?
There. Yeah, that fixes the lighting.
Okay. So this is what you do. Before you do lighting, you're supposed to press the ISO button near it.
Oh.
And it'll lock in the lighting, I guess. I think. Did it do anything?
Well, I didn't press it yet. Is it recording? Yeah, I locked it in. I think it's recording. Yeah, it's recording. I see the timer going up.
Stop screaming.
I am screaming. Hold on, no. Hello. Okay, you see it. It's focusing on my face. Look at this. Look at you. I am filming you. Oh my god. It's so light. It's kind of heavy, but it's lighter. I don't know. Ah! Okay, how do I turn this off?
Do you want to set a shutter speed?
No, how do I turn this off?
How did you turn it on?
I don't know. I learned how to do it. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off, and I'm gonna insert in a picture that we learned how to take. So my sister took my picture. So yeah. Yo, so I hope you enjoyed that. I actually literally learned how to do that, and now I'm gonna turn this baby off. Sensor cleaning. Okay. It's so sleek. Like, the packaging is so sleek. I love it. I know I ordered a microphone and it's coming much later. Like, it's coming like next month-ish, which is not that later because it's literally like July 27th. So yeah. Next, I'm gonna go into the bag carrying case because it literally was out and I ripped it when I was trying to open the packaging. That was me. My bad. What is this? I don't know what that is. We'll deal with that later. But yeah, this is that. Comes with a whole bunch of compartments. Let's go through it. Oh my god. I'm so excited, guys. Ooh, it comes with another strap. Like a big strap, you know? Which I will definitely be using. Definitely. I'm gonna zip it later, but yeah, it's the carrying case, and it's by the brand Ritz Gear. It won't focus. My phone won't focus. It smells clean. How does a camera smell? I'm someone who likes to smell things. It smells so clean. So clean! Okay, I don't know if I told you guys, but I went through the SD card, and it's 32 gigabytes. So yeah, got that. That'll last me a while. Cause my last, my other SD card is only 8, and that literally won't get me that far. So here's my tripod, and it's by Polaroid, and it's 57 inches, which is 4 feet. So yeah, hopefully it'll be taller than this one, but I don't know. Where's my knife? Where's my? This is a knife, guys. I was on YouNow, and I was using a nail filer. I think I already said this, and the viewers thought, like, for a moment, they thought I was holding a knife. And I was like, no, it's not a knife. I'm not crazy. Not danger. I'm not danger. How can you be danger? What is that? That's the thing. That's the thing. Nice. I'm gonna stop right there. There's hair. Perks of being an Indian. Did it even remove? I can't. Where'd that thumb go? I lost a thumb while I was doing this. Okay. Literally taking forever. I'm sorry about that. This video is gonna be long, so if you don't like that, don't watch. But I am full of excitement. So, things like this, you can it zips halfway. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is my tripod, and there's poison, which I gotta toss out. I'm gonna love the bubble wrap, honestly. But, how do I take this out without breaking anything? Woo! This is it. It's honestly really good. It's much better than my old tripod, than this tripod. And the height is the same, literally. The only thing that's different is that here there's only 2 of them, and this one has 3. But, yeah, and it's like easy to move and stuff. So yeah, tripod. I'm gonna set this on my bed. Oh my god, my feet. What is this? SD card reader. Looks like that. Put that to the side. I don't need that right now. What is this? Camera cleaning kit. Don't know what the heck this thing is. Looks like you're gonna give me a shot. I don't know. But looks like that. There's a couple more things. This, which is strange. 4-piece multi-coasted camera lens filter kit. Where are my other lenses? Oh, they're right there. I see them. So, yeah, it's like filtered. If I want some effects and stuff. For like the sunlight and stuff, you know, if I'm looking up. Studio Series Pro Slave Flash. I got more flash. So yeah, there's flash. And this is what I was excited for. And also these. This is my 2 lenses. One is a wide lens, and one is 52 mm, and one is 55 mm. Oh, or is it 52? Oh. I'm dumb. Nah. Should I put this on the camera and show you guys the difference? Probably. Okay, I'm gonna have to do that after. I'll do that towards the end of this video. Then the last thing in the box that I can see, toss that box to the side, is the remote. And this is a Polaroid RC6 wireless remote shutter release. So this is good. I'm definitely going to use this because I'm scared of that shutter button, honestly. So it looks like this. So let's open this bad boy up. That was easy. My room is so hot.